Thought and Notions, Unit 4, Lesson 1, The Marie Celeste. There are many stories about the ocean. One of the strangest is a true story about a sailing ship. It's a mystery even today. In 1872, the Marie Celeste started on a trip across the Atlantic Ocean with a crew of 10 people. Sometime later, the captain of another ship, the Dei Gracia, saw the Marie Celeste. There was something strange about its appearance. The captain called out, but there was no answer. The Marie Celeste seemed deserted. When the captain went to inspect the ship, no one came to meet him. He knew something was wrong, but there were no signs of violence. Nothing was missing, and there was no damage to the ship's instrument. And strangely enough, there was food on the table. Where was everyone? Did the crew jump from the Marie Celeste? Or did something come up from the ocean and take the captain and crew away? The captain of Dei Gracia looked around for clues. The last entry in the Marie Celeste's diary was 10 days earlier. However, the food on the table was only a few days old. Someone was on the ship a few days before, but they didn't write anything in the ship's diary. Why? There were many different explanations for the mystery of the Marie Celeste. Some people thought that a huge octopus ate the crew. Others said bad weather carried them away. A few people believed that the Marie Celeste was under a curse because it sank on a later voyage. Now that the Marie Celeste lies somewhere at the bottom of the ocean, no one can ever solve the mystery.